AutoCAD uses Cartesian coordinates x, y, z. To turn this on, go to Customization. At the bottom right of the screen, go to the top of the menu to Coordinates and select. The coordinates will appear on the status bar next to Model Quick Command. If you need to see what the coordinates are on an object, type I and type D and enter. Select the point in question. This will bring up the X, Y, Z value. If you find my videos helpful and would like to support me, you can by donating on Buy Me a Coffee, link in the description below.
Was this helpful? Like and subscribe.
I appreciate your views and support. Thank you.